Winter driving, part 3. Now I'm in a parking lot and it's actually snowing outside, and now I'm back in the car and the windshield is all fogged up. So first we'll go to this. I know, hope you can see it. This will defog the windshield, and this one will defog the rear window. I'll give it a couple seconds and then I'll turn the windshield wiper on to clear the windshield, and by then the rear window should also be a bit clearer. Now by using this, it means that the warm air is coming here and also here, which in turn defogs the side window here and over there. Okay, it's looking good. So now I can put the windshield wiper on. I'll put it at intermittent, or maybe I'll go a couple more times just to get it going fast, then put it to intermittent. Okay, so now I'm gonna exit this plaza and I'm gonna be driving to the left. So I have to put the right signal on, because when I put the right signal on, it means that the end of the car is gonna go that way, and then I drive out that way. Okay, so I put my right signal on, gear selected to reverse, check around, nobody coming. This van is in the way, so I slowly move. There's a red truck to my right. So when you're backing up, make sure you can see clearly. Don't take any chances, because if I back up right now and someone ran into me, it would be my fault. Okay, so the dash is at the end of the vehicle, so now I can turn my wheels all the way to the right. And I have enough space, so put the gear selector to drive, turn the wheel and check, and then I can drive off. And of course you have to be light on the gas pedal so you don't spin your tires. It's very slippery out here, but this is why you need to have proper tires. I'm going to the left. There's no stop sign here, but there are cars approaching from the left, so we just have to wait until it's safe to make this left turn. Okay, it's safe, so now I'll take a chance, hand over hand and recover. Next street ahead, it's gonna be a right turn. Signal right, check the rear view mirror and the right shoulder, hand over hand steering, and I'm not even sliding because I'm taking the turn at 20 kilometers an hour. And again, the reason I'm not sliding, it's because, or spinning my tires, it's because I have good snow tires. So remember, it's winter. Make sure you have good snow tires on your car. Right turn at the stop sign ahead, signal right, check the mirror and the right line spot, and you can't see a sidewalk or anything, so go to the right side at the edge of the road and stop completely. This is a three-way stop sign, nobody there, and I'm first, so obviously I'm gone. Accelerate lightly and recover. And I'm doing 25-30 kilometers on the snow. That's 30 kilometers an hour. That's my speed on the snow. Notice how the visibility is low. You can't see very much. Now next street, it's a left turn. Signal left. Check the rear view mirror, check the shoulder, and then hand over hand steering into the street. Recover. Hope you got a couple tips from this short lesson. Please like and subscribe. So this will basically be the end of this this driving lesson. I'll see you next time, right? But before I go, I just need to make this left turn onto the street, onto my street, hand over hand steering, and I have to turn left into this driveway. But look at all this snow, man. Maybe I'm gonna get stuck. Let me open my garage door and then I'll just plow through the snow. Okay, now here we go. I hope I don't get stuck. Good tires. I did not get stuck. Straight into my garage. And this is the end of this driving lesson. Thank you for watching.